Setting up an order printer in Epos Now is quick and easy. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your printer and assign it to the areas of your business that need it. Before getting started, make sure you have both a power socket and a network connection available. Connect the power cable to the power port on the back of the printer. Then connect an Ethernet cable to the network port next to it. If needed, you can connect the printer directly to your router. Once your printer is connected and powered on, it's time to add it to your till. Please note, you'll need to complete these steps on each point-of-sale device that you want to print orders from. On your till, open the burger menu and select Settings. Next, select Peripherals, then choose Set Up Order Printer. Press Next to begin, then select your printer model. In most cases, this will be an Epos Now printer. Order printers are commonly connected using Ethernet, especially when they're located away from the till. However, built-in and USB printers can also be used depending on your hardware setup. Make sure your printer is switched on and connected to the same network as your point-of-sale devices. Press Next and the till will scan your network for available printers. When your printers appear, use the Identify button to confirm which printer you're setting up. This will print a test receipt from the selected device. Once you've identified the correct printer, select it and choose where it's located in your business. You can also choose which order channels should print to this device and how many copies you'd like to print. For example, you may want 2 copies sent to your bar location. You can also add additional order channels and set different copy quantities for each. Next, you'll be asked to review your till categories. This allows you to choose which products print to which printer. For example, you may assign your drinks category to your bar printer, ensuring drink orders are sent directly to the correct location. You'll then see the option to print orders from this till. Enable this if you'd like orders taken on your point-of-sale devices to print automatically. If you're only printing orders from online ordering platforms or delivery apps, you can leave this option disabled. Review your settings and press Next. If you'd like to add another printer, you can do so here. Otherwise, select Return to Till to finish the setup. And that's it. Your order printer is now ready to receive orders. For more tutorials, visit our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.